Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Rangaswamy. I'm a neurointerventionalist at Reno, Nevada, USA. So today I started this organization, Indostates Health in Coimbatore. The main intention of this center is to serve the people. So that's why I started it. This is like we are going to do in a four different centers like Diagnostic Centre, Preventive Health Centre, Interventional and Surgical Centre, and Acute Stroke and Heart Attack Treatment Centre. There's four different centers we are going to start. But in the first phase, and we are going to do a Diagnostic Centre and a Preventive Health Centre. So today we are going to talk about Diagnostic Centre.